This is Stacks in Math for 6th grade. We're still doing Lesson 80, Transformations. We're going to be learning about how to reflect a shape, how to rotate a shape, and how to translate a shape. I have graph paper projecting here, and so you can probably see the colors moving up and down. I'm sorry about that. It's the best we can do. Just think of it as cool and groovy. All right, so I have a shape, and the first thing I want to do today is I want to reflect that shape. Now, usually when they tell you to reflect the shape, they're going to tell you what to reflect it over, or what we used to call it flip, to flip it over. In this case, they're going to tell you to reflect it over the y-axis. So you have to imagine if you took it here, and if we flipped it over the y-axis. Let's see, if I was to reflect it across, instead of being 1, 2, 3 out this way, instead I'm going to flip it and it's going to go 1, 2, 3 spaces this way. So point B, that was here, is now going to be here. And if you remember from before, when I change my shape, when I transform it, I put a little hash mark that it's the new shape. All right, let's figure out where A is going to be. A is 1, 2, 3 this way. So we're going to move it 1, 2, 3 in the other direction. We're reflecting it over. It was 3 this way. So now we're going to flip it over the y-axis, and reflect it 1, 2, 3 that way. This was A. This is now A1. Now all I need is C. Let's count. C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out from the y-axis. Let's count this way. So you can find C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C. So now, if my problem asks me to find the points, whereas this is -3, 5, the point of A1 would be 3, 5. This is -3, 2. The point of B1 would be 3, 2. C is -6, 2. C1 would be +6, 2. This is a reflection. Pay attention to where they tell you to flip it. If they'd asked us to flip it over the x-axis, we would do the same thing. Only instead of counting how far it was from the y-axis, we count how far it is from the x-axis. If we were flipping this direction, B would flip down this way. It is 1, 2 from the x-axis, so we count down 1, 2. Here would be B1, B2, I suppose. Since this was B1, this would be B2. C is 2 above, so it become 2 below. C, 2. And A, let's see. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 above. So A would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 below. And we could just as easily record our new coordinates for our new shape.